va. Nali lu họ pia ya bei shuo, yellow wo itu orthopedic pediatrician surgeon. Thảo ni sinh ni nhẹ, sinh chế, thế hùng gao. Nếu cô yo itu dancer, hao Long Jang Dance Academy. Thảo ô châu that the sponsors what's her, Omosuli, my you Thao of Long Jang Marketplace. Maliva of Lily's Photography, TJ and Tufong of Outcast Alterations LLC. Dojiva, Miss Hmong, Wisconsin, outstanding all second runner-up, and director of Longdang Dance Academy. Dr. Nia Tong Tho Tho.
Nali kalalunu moteling dano. What actions do you take to show respect to others? Ko o yada chi, tia kia tao hai tia, ko hu lu tu. Nali guyon hu ko i shong zi. What actions do you take to show respect to others? Ko o yada chi, tia kia tao hai tia, ko hu lu tu.
Thank you for your question. One action that I take to show respect to others is I listen to those who have different opinions than me. I take their knowledge or their opinions and put it with mine so we can compare and we can use this to make a difference. Thank you.